In this video, I will show you how to install Google Play Store on Mac. Go to Google Search and type in Download BlueStacks Mac. This is an Android emulator that is compatible with Mac that contains the Google Play Store app. Click on the link and it will take you to the BlueStacks download page. Scroll down to BlueStacks 4, which has the download link for the Mac OS. Click on Download. It is a large file of about 700 megabytes, so it may take a while. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and look for the bluestacks.dmg file. Click on it to start the installation process. Once the installer package is finished, a BlueStacks installer box will pop up. Click on it to continue the process. When the installer is verified, a pop-up will ask you to open the app. Click on Open. The BlueStacks app will start. Click on the Install button. Your Mac may prompt you to input a password to continue installation. This can take a while depending on the speed of your Mac. When the install is done, you will be prompted with the Let's Go button. Click on it and it will ask you to input your Google account details. Input your email first. Then put in your password. After that is done, you will be logged into your Google account on this BlueStacks app. The Play Store will show up, and you can now access the Google Play Store to download your favorite games or social media apps. Thanks for watching.